Welcome back to the garage. What I got going on today is we're going to get back on this 12-valve engine for the old wedge bed project truck. I got some carburetor cleaner and some brushes. The weather's nasty outside, so I can't do anything on the Jeep today. It's really cold, but I'll set you up over there. Might try a time-lapse video, see how that works. We'll get to cleaning up on this engine so I can replace some gaskets and paint it before it goes back in the truck. Just a little shout out. If you're looking for brushes for cleaning parts or anything like that in your garage, you can buy these 3-packs at Dollar Tree for $1, and these things work great. Getting into hard to reach places. They come with a plastic, a brass, and a steel brush set. So if you're looking for something like that, I never really thought about Dollar Tree, but now that I know about them, I'm going to be cleaning the stores out of all the ones they got. But let me get you set up. We'll get to cleaning on this engine. It's a good idea when you have a project like this to realize the area that you need to start and the area that you need to stop. Because it doesn't matter if it's Dodge, Ford, Chevy, whatever, you can easily get in over your head with a project like this. Now obviously I've got the engine out of the truck, but I'm not going to rebuild it. I'm not going to mess with the head gasket on it because I think it'll be just fine. But I am going to replace the valve cover gaskets, the oil pan gasket, just for the time being. I'll also do the rear main seal. But my area of approach that I'm going to do with this is I want to get the rear of the engine and underneath sealed up just fine. That way when I make the transmission to it, I don't have to worry about the rear main seal, and I can go ahead and sit this engine and transmission in the truck. Now later on, I'll take the timing cover gasket off of it, I'll fix the killer dowel pin in this engine, and I'll get the front of the engine resealed as well. Another reason why I don't want to mess with that at this moment is the injection pump that was on this truck worked just fine. This truck ran and drove, like I said, when I bought it. I drove it about 40 miles away from where I live at right now, but it had a leak on the back side of the pump, and from what I can tell from a lot of other videos of guys swapping these engines into other trucks, that when it usually leaks on the back side of the pump, it needs rebuilt. But this engine has a lot of miles on it. I think the odometer in the truck read 435,000, which seems like a lot even for a 12 valve like this. But like I said, when I bought this truck, I have a stack of receipts. There was a lot of work done to this. You can also tell that the valve cover gaskets that are on it haven't been replaced too long ago, but since I've got it out, I'll go ahead and throw them on there. But the next order of attack will be removing the oil pan, like I said, cleaning all the old oil and stuff out of the bottom. I'll get the oil pan painted, put the new gasket on it, and we'll start doing a little bit more to this engine and get it ready to put back in the truck. Thanks for tuning in and watching the video all the way through. I know it's not the most exciting job in the world, but it still needs to get done. Still need to clean the engine up before I can put the gaskets in it. I originally intended this video to be out Sunday, but it'll probably be out Wednesday. I work for a street department, so anytime it snows, I have to go in and plow snow. So we got 5 inches in the last 3 days and haven't got much sleep. So editing had to come second. Sometimes the channel will probably suffer because of that going into winter. But I appreciate you watching the video all the way through. Go ahead and check out my buddies at Central Oregon Shenanigans in the Fox Shop also. Their channel links will be in the video description below. But thanks for watching the video. Leave a comment down below. Consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you're into. I'll just go ahead also and try to throw in a sneak peek of the new truck that I just got. Yeah, another truck. Crazy, right? And I also may do a snowplow video also, edit that up and kind of see how that goes. Took the GoPro along, got a little bit of footage. I'm not sure if it'll be boring or not, but we'll give it a try. And just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. My name is Zane, and I'll catch you next time.